Hello everybody, my name is BDF018 and welcome back to a brand new Alt MOC. Today we're kicking off a brand new series with 76920's Ford Mustang Dark Horse in the 2024 Speed Champions lineup. This just edged out the 75892 McLaren Senna by just 1 vote, and today we're kicking off with our first build, the Porsche 911 GT3. This set looks to have a lot, and I mean a lot, of very nice looking MOCs. Kicking it off today with this 275 piece build across 166 steps. So divided there you get roughly 1.6 pieces on average per section for today's build. A very interesting start to our new series. Let's strip this thing apart with the pieces in the recording tubs and get to our first conversion, the Porsche 911 GT3. Enjoy. So, not exactly the start to this series I was expecting. I cannot progress further in this build because there is insufficient pieces to do so. Let me explain what I mean. As you would have seen many times throughout this build, it says piece does not exist in inventory. This is because there are about 10 to 15 occasions now where the piece that it wants me to put on does not even exist in the vehicle's inventory, therefore I cannot progress with the build. And it's reached one too many pieces and I cannot put the bonnet on, therefore I cannot progress. So here is our Porsche 911 GT3, not the way I expected to start this series, but we got most of it done. The creator really needs to rethink his design here. It looks very nice and I'm glad that he was able to get this thing fully completed. A lot of people have been complaining about this thing being very fragile, and this is very true. The back end falls off all the time, the front end hangs on by one thread. It wants you to have 4 and 5 of one piece when there's only actually 2 or 3 existing in the inventory for this set. It's extremely frustrating, and I've had a look through the entire inventory list for this build and I'm not missing any pieces. It literally does not exist in the inventory set, therefore it is a null build. And a lot of the techniques apparently are illegal for LEGO. It is one of the highest rated builds on Rebrickable, so there are some people that are getting it correct, but they must be the ones that have extra spare pieces. If you're just using the base set for this, I would definitely stay away from this build. And the only reason I'm going to be putting this video out is to tell you and inform you lot, this is a build, in my opinion, to avoid. It's hoping for better success in our next build. We have got a lot of real cars to build for this set. As always, leave your thoughts down below, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. How do you feel about the 911 GT3? It's a big shame because it started off really nice, I was really excited to build this thing, but it's just unfortunate. It's a rookie error, I think, from the designer, and he really needs to rethink his next design. With that said, I've been BDF018, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.